Hi, guys. Now, this is about how to write programs with multiple files. So, in the previous video on using procs with arrays, we created two procs called read array and write array. Now, I've decided I'm going to just make a package of array manipulation uh, procs. So, what I can do is this is going to be an include file. Now, you see, I declared a read array proc, but I'm going to call it here a proto. And this is output array is also going to be called a proto. Now, this is short for prototype, and this is going to be an inc file. So we're going to save this as array.inc, inc. Now, when you write one of these, you want to comment pretty well what's going on. So this one will read in an array from the user. Okay. To input is the location of the space for the array, and input size is the location of the size of the array. Now this other guy will output an array to the user. To output is the location of the space of the array, and array size is the size of the array. Okay, so that will capture both of these. Now, we might want to add in, okay, so we might want to add in returns the largest item number in the array. We're going to assume these are arrays of integers. So I'm going to say returns the largest number in the array, and this will be okay. And this will be, what did I call it? Well, let's go back to okay. So I'll also copy largest, and it's had largest array. So I'm going to, once again, I'm going to take these guys. I'm going to call this a prototype. We're going to call this a prototype. Now I'm not sure this is the, I could do users in the prototype, so I'll find out after I compile.